Hey guys, Karibu Stars Kitchen. Leo nitakuwa napika sort of twisted Mexican taco with my own ingredients. Kwa hiyo natumia boiled beef ambayo nilikuwa nimeichemsha na bay leaves na salt and pepper. Hapa na onions na garlic. Hapa na paprika na cumin na seasoning cube na tomato paste. Ndio nitatumia pamoja na soy sauce. Hivi nitatumia kwa ajili ya kutengeneza sauce yangu au nyama yangu ya kusaga. And kwenye fresh dressing zetu tutakuwa tuna salsa hapa pamoja na guacamole. Stay tuned guys, tunaanza kukaanga beef yetu. So once the beef is almost dried up, we add in our tomato paste and our spices, our seasonings, and just stir over them. We also add a little bit of soy sauce. That was a lot. You don't want to put this much soy sauce in your beef. It's not bad. And stir it. After mixing it, this is how delicious it looks. Now I'm gonna let it cool, then I'll assemble my tacos. So here are my stuffed taco shells. So afterwards I'm just gonna put the cheese and let it melt. So here is after putting some cheese. So the only cheese I'm left with in my pantry, in my fridge, is mozzarella, so I'm using mozzarella. Yep. And then I sprinkled up some black pepper, and I'm just gonna put them in the oven for about 5 minutes for the cheese to melt. Then I'll do my fresh toppings. So after to the oven, this is how they look like. And I'm just gonna add up some, salsa, a little bit of salsa, and a little bit of guacamole. Wow. Woo! Look at that. And voila. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Niwatakia usiku mwema. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more cooking videos. Stars Kitchen is a place you want to be. Karibuni sana Stars Kitchen. Asanteni kwa kuangalia video yangu. Niwatakia siku njema na wakati mwema. Guys, look at these layers. Look at this layer. It's all about the beef, ground beef, the cheese, the salsa, the guac. Ha! Okay, one more bite. It's crispy. So nice. Here is my Mexican beef taco. And look at how luscious that is. So I'm gonna try it. Karibuni. Guys, this is no joke. No joke at all.